Okay, so hi guys. Today is May 13 and it's almost 2 months already of the lockdown here in Toronto. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today, since it is so beautiful, the weather is so nice outside, we decided to have a, what do you call that one? A road trip. We decided to do a road trip. Not too far away from here, from our place though, but yeah, at least we can go outside, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the weather. We are heading to Bob Cajun. It is northeast of Toronto. It's an hour and a half drive.
My dad didn't make it in treehouse.
Okay, you and Daddy's gonna make a treehouse.
Wait, what?
So we are going to grab some ice cream. We are going to
Ice cream factory?
Kawartha Lake Ice Cream Factory.
Never been there.
So yeah, that's what are we gonna do today. Okay, so we are stopping by to grab our coffee first before we start our road trip. We are here grabbing some coffee at Starbucks.
Yeah, can I have these?
So Starbucks is not yet open. They just do a mobile order and you just have to pick it up outside. No, outside. It's called curb pickup. So yeah, we are so excited because we've been staying home for almost 2 months already, and we just go outside to grab some groceries and then that's it. Now we can go outside and go somewhere, right, Kuya?
Here, open it.
Our coffee.
That's one for my dad. That's one for my mom.
So every time I order coffee in Starbucks, I always like this Java chip.
Yeah, but
And then Java chip. And then Daddy likes the cappuccino.
cappuccino. I am.
Okay, so
She's opening the straw so that she can drink it.
and okay, we are all set. We have our coffee. Daddy has his coffee too.
And I don't have
And nothing for these two. We just had our lunch, so they're good. Okay, so talking about our stay at home, we didn't do much. Kuya is doing his homeschooling, so he has
online.
Yeah, it's an online. Okay, talk about it, Kuya.
We have a online
Homeschool.
We have homework online, which is our teacher give us our homework, and we do it in a computer, or we do it on our right, and
then submit
it to
our teacher.
Yeah.
And then Alyson too do her homework, right, Alyson?
My dad didn't make it in treehouse. I need to play bathroom. And then I need to button.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
The passes.
Yeah.
My baby is the Y, is the A, B, O.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, so yeah, that's it. She's been wanting to have a tree house, but unfortunately we don't have a tree. So Daddy always tells her, okay, we're gonna do a tree house. And then we do our groceries sometimes once in every 2 weeks. And
we cook a restaurant quality.
And then Daddy is our chef when he is not working, during his day off. So he's the one in charge in the kitchen. And then I am, and the good thing about this is I also learned how to bake. How's that possible? So yeah, that's the good thing about it. Many of you know that I am doing a balloon business, but unfortunately, since non-essential services are closed, they have to mandatory closure of non-essential businesses. So I am not doing it for the moment, but hopefully soon. Okay, so just a friendly reminder that if you want guys to go outside and have a road trip, or even when you're going to a grocery store, just a friendly reminder to still keep your distance, keep the 2 meters away from each other and from other people. And that's what we are going to do also. But basically we are just inside the car. What are you gonna do when this lockdown is over, Kuya? What do you want to do first?
I want to play basketball. I want to go back to school, and I want to see my girlfriend.
And how about you, Alyson? What do you want to do?
No scooter.
I went to the play basketball and then
town where the Kawartha ice cream factory is.
I'll take the mint chip.
So what do you want?
Mint chip.
Mint chip?
Yeah, even Ethan wants the mint chip.
Sorry. Okay. Regular cone. Does he want a cone or the cone?
Yeah, I want the cone.
Hi guys! So now we have our ice cream. We are here at the Kawartha Dairy. It's an ice cream factory. And yeah, we're just here for this ice cream. You got it, Alyson? You got your ice cream? Okay, what are you eating?
Oh, it's a mint chip ice cream. This is my favorite flavor. It's good. Really good.
Same as my dad. Which is mint chip. Same as my dad.
You
They're
like
good
the same
too.
flavor?
Yeah. Mint
How
is
about you, Alyson? What flavor is your ice cream? It's a chocolate ice cream? Mm-hmm. You like it? Is it yummy? Wow. Mine is Moose Tracks. It's the same with Alyson's flavor. It's one of my favorite too here in Kawartha Dairy.
We drive all the way down up here
Yeah.
for an hour and a half drive just to eat this ice cream. And it's good and it's worth it.
True.
Plus the weather's good. We've been staying at home for almost 2 months now.
Yeah.
Now it's time to go out and eat ice cream.
Okay guys, so that's about it. We already had our ice cream. Everybody has their own ice cream. Daddy had 2 scoops. Kuya had 1 scoop. And Alyson too, 1 scoop of ice cream. You like it, Alyson? And Mommy had 2 scoops of ice cream. And now we're on our way home. That's just our road trip. Because for the longest time, this is our first time to go out for a road trip or something after staying home for 2 months. So yeah, that's about it. And as always guys, stay healthy, keep safe, always wash your hands when you go outside. Bye for now, Kawartha Lakes. Thank you for the ice cream. See you guys on our next road trip. Thank you guys for watching.
And don't forget to hit that notification button so that hit that bell button so that you don't miss a video of us.
That's right. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.